Hello, good morning guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. And if anyone is new here, you're welcome to have a subscribe. And now I'm on my way for that city spring meet 2025, carrying other necessity stuff to it. And once I go there, I'll capture whatever activities or whatever views I can, and we'll upload for all of us and for all of you. So keep watching.
Hello, this is Pintu. We're going to do something for spring meet. This is us spring. The race is running. It's awesome here. Later falling. And lips are sprouting. Ready to go to the tigers.
Hello guys, we're going to start now. We're gathering people. We're still waiting for more people turning up. In the meantime, we'll take our attendance, recall, and we're going to begin. These people just came, I believe. Mr. Itsu and the team. The champions are coming here. People are still coming and we're still waiting. These are early birds, and these are some eatables brought from different cell already. And this is Danon's family. They just arrived. They are here for spring meet. Hello, good morning, bro. Welcome to Zeme to spring meet, okay? And here's also one sleeping. Hello guys, so we are still going on with our ice breaking session, and these are the people already done. Hello sir.
Hi, sir.
You are done with your introduction?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We are also done, and these are the people already done. Still many people coming. Hi sir. Hello sir. Welcome to the spring meet. Yeah, whatsoever. You're welcome here.
Okay, we're coming for a spring meet. Today is 15th of March. I hope everyone is excited and we will really enjoy this event.
Last year also we did.
Type as well as organized by Zeme Church Delhi.
Yes.
So it will be really fun as well as we will have food after some time.
And
Thank you.
other activities, there are some games as well, right? Yes.
We'll have some games like Bible games, some group games. We'll have lots of fun after some time.
Yeah, thank you so much for letting people know. Hello everyone. These are the food we brought. We'll show you later. And don't run. In video there. Hello bro. Hello. Hi. You want to come? Lala. No, not YouTuber. Hi, both of you. So done with your introduction? Not yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay. I'm done. You're done or not yet? Not done, right? Hey, what about both of you? Do okay? Sir, introduction done?
Huh?
Introduction done?
Yeah, I'm done.
How did you introduce yourself? Tell me something about yourself.
I introduce myself as brother, you know.
So
Relaxing now, even the view and all.
still going on. We've done from B4. There's some people eating. People are playing. And this year, seeing once again. There are also people. There are some boys sitting, having their own time for some time. And these are people from different locations and different Zeme villages. From Kcham, Padeu Kcham, Palom Kcham, King Chamson will come there. Yeah. Leva! Ngồi here sang ngồi lên And there are some people coming in from here as well. Monica, I think. People from Monica. Right here. Ray! Telo nung mai dam tao có nó à? À. Nice dress, bro. You're looking cool. Hey, both of you, don't be romantic, okay? Zeme!
Yes.
Where's your bite? Where's your bite? Yes, welcome. This is her interrogating. I don't know what are they saying. These are two ladies coming by now.
Pastor will give you the timing, how many seconds or how many minutes. Okay.
Only birth month, not birth year.
Huh?
Not birth year, birth month.
Birth year, birth month. Even the no, not the birth year.
We're
Only
here
the birth month and
doing
also
our
the
God's
date.
breathing session, and now
So you will not
back to
whisper
introduction.
the word, okay? If you whisper that, always think that you're in this program, okay? So, can we do that? Okay. Yeah, at the back, that's why. And we have. You have to stand according to your. Girls can be here, and you will start from January here. Okay, so girls over here, and then the boys over here. So, hey, so marang ako doon, oy. Marang ah, baby, wala marang semua. Marang, suruh ka marang. Okay, Pastor, give the time and then we can begin. January, start from here. Also January.
Lenny, do it though.
No, we're busy, no.
Any one of you having prayer partners other than me? Okay, please. I hope you really enjoy having prayer partners. And even from this village, we have formed every year different places. Prayer partners, come back for that. No. For you guys.
Prayer partners choosing time. We have chosen our own partner.
So who already can stay? Yeah, we are ready. I'm not ready.
Now we're done with our introduction and we are beginning with the prayer burner photo session. Everyone is waiting. They are already done. I'm here like this. Pastor is saying something. I have to go back.
Lord, we commit all of these partnerships unto you, that you will continue to strengthen them, and the partnerships that they have will continue to encourage one another in this time, in that time, and
Adalah.
continue to glorify you and live their life.
Now we're going to eat. People are serving. There, why? Pastor tu Zeme. Oh, okay.
Ini sel kan nanti wang bayar variety sama Androidi kang kaya na no kau ye.
Alah.
Lalu salad lah mui, ayah ke buji lah mui, urang bala mui, dal kai lo dah. Kapag di shop tu pun mau pete lu ah, kuah lah.
Alah, lu nang kelum bergap sih kelum ada tak tu hak. Zai kam di ni ke?
Kelum zai ni emang.
Zai kam.
Thank you lo noi.
Alah. Thank you lah nak. Tak tu aku bay. Tak tu aku apa ni? Tak tu lagi apa ni? Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Coi, that's it. Hai bố, busy lâu đây. Video bana dậy. I'm videoing. Ra đây. Ra đây. Mama. Sắp lâu cũng là. Hey everyone, in well, okay? Zeme. Thank you very much. Hey, you're disturbing my video. Go. See, come. Look at people. Come. Come here. Nong TV mo dia. Ada mo. Hey, no. Mari sini produk. Ada produk itemnya. This item brought from different place of. That's it.
Also, you have to give good review, yeah?
Yeah, so far all the items are so good. And I'm still on the way testing everything that they brought together.
Đúng rồi.
And so far I think I will go.
Kêu TV cái thai thì đâu đó.
I'm sure. I'm trying it. Yeah, this is the peanut prepared by myself, and this is the ironba prepared by Never Prepared.
It all good, bro.
This is pork prepared by Noida self, and this is dal prepared by
Thank you, nói mình luôn này.
and this is from North self.
Chill rồi bé.
Chicken from Isangat self. I think I got all.
Ra này cũng là cái phim nó rồi. Ui, bake bật chạy mình làm rồi. Mà lo một tiffin sao nó bung à? Have a okay, sister. Tìm mình đâu? Keng phải lên thiệt rồi. Tao quay mà lắm rồi này. Tao quay mà mẹ. Sorry. Thế mày. Let me take for this girl. Too far. No, quay đâu cô. Where to drop? This is something plate. This girl. Thank you nói. Thank you nói thôi. Thank you nói mình luôn này. Cái last. Chết tay lụt tới rồi. Mong là. Hai tạm lên. Thank you nói ra.
Hello. Thank you bố đó anh kể chứ bà. Năm cái. Bây giờ cũng bị chưa?
Nó hết lời của mà.
Naram tu kolak भी gaya je. So many people still coming in for food. We're still waiting. And I can no longer wait anymore. So,
Hadi ko. Aku malas sembang lah. Di ko ang backup ka lang ay tayo. Temare.
Where's your plate? Where's your plate? Where's Pepe's plate? Where's Pepe's plate? Oh. Let's see who.
Come, bro.
Hey, give me one plate for Dizzy. Give one plate for Dizzy.
Temare nó đang xăm tiền là quái. Hey, temare nó đang xăm tiền là quái.
Nung tidak mi.
Iu qua qua rồi đây.
Nang kuat baca nang kuat baca ten.
Iu qua bang tu di nó lấy tệ rồi cái nó. Xong đấy có các bang Malay cũng có.
Makai nang bangai.
Cái này xong tôi đi bàn tiền hàng này.
Rồi nào từ cái này lại.
Thank you nói. Sakay lang mo sumili lang ako. Ilan na sakal. May lagi. May lagi.
Napikiran nisa.
Pigun free.
Ay, kamera gyan mo skip. Solo di karabe. Nang di ma. Tuwa. Mera gyan. Beka dia. May beka nito.
May I come in from the wrong track?
Ni dahil. Bisa. Ha? Oh eh. Ikenak dah. Nomor sida nangkut ini kyo. Oh, acha. Hello, Mr. Samba. Nang umari mo. Nang gulay mi ka. Pagsi. Nang kuang mo da. Merang gure.
Come gitu, come tu maga. Maybe this one. Go.
Pagsi ke tu sia. Ai kemerai. Kemerai, kebagzi, salad, irumba, dal, fish, chicken.
Chicken male hai.
Beef, rice.
As long terus ah.
Chalo.
Noi. Asal le. Thank you noi. Thank you very much ngon le. Oh good. Everyone is good.
Rice. Rice.
Yeah, come here. Thank you noi. Have not. Ngày đầu thì có cả. Say something.
Welcome back. Welcome back to Samba channel.
Thank you. Thank you noi. It will okay, bro. Yeah.
This is chicken. And no, this is
Starting.
okay. This is beef, and then we have here chicken. This is ironba in Manipuri, ironba.
Yeah.
And then this is the dry fish.
Okay.
This is pork with bamboo shoot. And then
What an
we have here
item,
the
yeah.
goat intestine.
Oh.
With the dal here and the rice. I'm going to finish up within a second.
Wait a second. Chalo. Thank you. What have you done? What is it? What is it?
Tiếng Kinh ơi. Mày căng ngà thì mà ha. Này copy tự chỉ lòng phải đó đó. Hello Adole and these people. How are you? Eat more okay angau. Eat for in game as well. Hey, you team. Tiếng Kinh ơi. I'm coming. How is the curry? Perfect, no? Come and take more. I will join soon.
Di mana? Dung Mila này.
Để mà rè. Kỳ đến từ xa. Hey, how are you?
Good.
How is the curry?
So good.
Wow. Thật tí mày. Ngày có cái này từ lâu. Thank you lâu. Thật tí mày từ xa lâu. Leo thằng này phim tặc cái petit mày. Thằng broadcasting internationally no. Pastor.
Oi,
Eat as much as you can.
I will.
Because you are a pastor. Think you know this is the chicken of the heart. Hey, anh chàng nói tiếng cái nói. Gong Hui, tiếng cái nói. This is Saulule, one of the smartest lady in Assam, Manipur, Nagaland.
Hello guys, I just set foot and I just came down to see this one. I am here. Just went to tea. I'm going right now to my friends. This is the surrounding. This is the inside of the Nehru Park. Here. I'm going back from here to be there. Where's my road up? We're having our own personal time now, and they're also having, I believe. And these people also having personal time. Hi. Wow, the background is very nice. Sure. Hi, bro. Hey.
Hello.
They're also having personal time. This is also having personal time. What are you doing here, bro?
I'm eating ice cream.
Where ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Hey, come. Nay, us. Very risky, yeah. Too long rồi. Có câu gì nữa đấy.
Bro.
Hello guys, We're searching around for a spot for picture. Nga bị lên là đâu? Làm tập rong này. Do you know any place? Bumming đồ mày ra nè. Trên set. Anh chảy lên nó gọi gì vậy? Lấy gì bây giờ? Thế đồ lọc gì bây giờ? Hi guys, I'm going here. She's quitting now. This is for my video. We're going here, right? Or we're not going? Let's go down now.
Straight. Miss Gan.
Hi.
À, giờ tôi ngồi sao vậy?
Suy mà rằng này với rằng ai là?
It's still very hot.
Ooh, there's flowers there.
Later we'll go around. And just set foot. What?
Ôi, đó. Chỉ sắp cây, nông này ngồi là sao? Wow.
Whoa! The scenery and the people. So nice, man. Picture?
Yeah.
You cannot. Hello guys, let me introduce the flower.
This is red color. That is
And this
And here are some boys. And there's one girl.
One boy.
em nói là hai.
One boy.
And there's one Carly.
Samba.
Bye bye.
Hi. Nang té po rin ba?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, but come on.
Okay, hi guys, please subscribe to my please subscribe to
Not my channel.
Samba, right?
Yep.
Samba channel right now. Let me show something. She is a camera woman. Camera woman.
Mr. Telo.
Samba, my one was Samba.
Tingnan mo.
Samba.
Nunggu monkey sa
I met one YouTuber from Qatar.
I'm big fan of him. Nice to meet you, bro. Make sure please subscribe to his channel. Don't forget.
Hmm.
Thank you for the subscription.
Miss Candilio.
Naman yung cheese wala.
Nang si Papi ala. Mata, si Mem Jakaw. Ewa.
Rami ng zoom dito pa.
Zoom dia ba?
Yeah, te maka.
Hinda. After dia ma, me ko ya.
This is the girl who took my video, huh? Yeah. Only video, okay?
Oh, video mo.
Thank you.
Cool ya.
This is the flower field. Flower field. I don't know how they make this one. People are clicking there also. Dẫu là năng số số hả? Đó là ạ. Lấy không biết tổng ngôi đây. Gọi tới vào cái zoom tới đây phải tập. Very nice, seriously. Katame. Hi ho. This is the girl and a lady from Folklong.
Most beautiful lady.
This
Most beautiful lady for this view.
We're all resting and having leisure time.
New faces are coming there.
Where are the new faces? Look in my background.
Holy.
We are done with our photo session now, and we're going for the group. There are many people around here. We are going around. It's so much to explore. It's a very, very big park. And there's still a lot more spots which we haven't visited. We're going behind here. Wow. Yes, que siento itu.
Oh my god, look at Tom. Tôi phải làm vong gì hả?
Mata.
Cái giống như Mr.
Mata na beli
Ai suka pula?
Back view. You want to take front view? Sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry for disturbing. This boy just came now.
Yeah.
Very on time boy. Though very handsome. Merci ale la ma la ba. Mai. Oh. I don't know her. I know only Ramsey. Si pu rong kai lang ma.
Nào lòng với ha.
Không tên sao? Hey. Ai đi liếm không ạ? Merci. Chúng Mr. lên kia nào bụi nó bấm xe rạc là đấy. Hello bro. What are you doing here? No, the people.
We want to go washroom.
Okay.
Washroom is straight here. Go. Anh làm cái cái nó coi lại. Nó có tiếng mà xin phải việc lo tao cũng lấy thế này. Thế rồi lần trước còn nói con. Ai lại.
Ani. I think this is our spot for today. They've selected us. We are all waiting for all people to come together, and we'll start our game session. Just dance. Right. They're discussing. I don't know. Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sleepy?
No, man.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
I already clicked around. Yeah, everyone is waiting. Everyone is still waiting. Hello, bro. I saw you doing grapher even today, but with better camera.
It is upgraded.
Yeah.
Upgraded to Sony camera.
Sony,
DSLR.
yeah.
So I have this one. This is Android. This is DSLR.
And this is ZS, General Secretary.
Oh, who? Me?
Yeah,
Us. Don't
General,
say like that, yeah.
the general guy.
The general guy. Yes, I'm general.
Chalo. We're now about to start with our game, our group game. So introducing team.
But the limitation of the number which is supposed to take is only up to 29 members. Exactly with the team name. So let me briefly highlight about the team. That about the team, the book of Acts in the New Testament ends with chapter 28, which describes the apostles'
This is Pastor. Moral of the game that we're going to play.
So we are the morning believers that will continue Acts of the Apostles by joining the team. And we have formed the team named X29 for our youth to come forward in church ministry, taking extra mile, supporting the church, reaching out, and bless the believers for available for the people. This X29 will be often seen as the continuity of the story of the apostles, belong by the believers today. So if anyone pray about it, and if anyone is willing to join, we have only 29 people open for so you may pick this form and see yourself. That's the group for this team member. It is free. And the basic guideline for this team is the team of 29 members. Once you go
Red. 5.
Hey, bro. Already started, and this boy is clicking. Walk and stop game.
When I say stop, you walk. Okay. When I say walk, you stop. Opposite.
Yes.
What I say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When I say walk, you stop. When I say stop,
là cái sao phải bỏ tôi gọi là đây rồi
rồi pi luôn nói số cứ tiếng cây mì về chắc chắn ơi come on
lấy để lấy ra rồi nữa
Drone tàu lấy à?
Samba Pame Communal tu ni. Peter. Oh Peter. Peter.
yeah sister
Hi.
Peter.
Zeme Now they're done with the first game. Talo masuk sila. Talo mai.
Cara tu dah.
Ai thứ tư lên thôi.
Tư ăn này. Department on their duty. There. Five. Move on. Sunday. Hello. Có là đó nè. Gì cô mặc phải gọi nó cả. Ở đây. Cao la. Isamday. Hả?
Keep clapping. Nice game. Bro, nice game. You conducted. Well done.
That's it.
I'm uncomfortable to play with the players or something, no? But you did a nice game.
Lots of kids are also running in and out. That's also one issue.
But the first game was a very nice game.
Is that game new to you guys?
Yeah, new.
Like
As for me.
Random, anyone come.
I think that game is quite
Yeah, a bit new. I think we have never played that game before.
it's That game is mainly for listening and what is that, no? That's material.
It would be good if we can all sit together and do, but we're scattered here and there, no?
Yeah, it's okay.
Ten or 20 can come out.
Tên này mà nào?
Hả?
Tên này mày?
Y na hang gimbal tay hang rakha ko dai ma.
Có.
Gimbal.
Chí.
Phone ko na ko office e.
Okay.
Camera le la da chapka le.
Mm.
Nice.
Bro, nice game. Now we are getting ready for another game. This is Pastor directing the game. We're this much people, and we're all enjoying, having good time. Oh, having good time here. People are playing. Focus, focus. Try.
Now, we begin with the name. So, we have to for this time, okay? Ready? The name starts with H. No, you have to give another name again and again as long as I point at you. Point one by second, see the better. Put the name given by this group, okay? So, this is what is name there, man. Long, okay, this is your turn, now you are lucky. Ready?
Too much trial, huh?
Yeah.
How are you, sir?
Hello. Anything?
Yes, many things.
I have to play game first. Adam!
Bचा lên.
Thế là phải thế là.
Nó được cũng ngon lắm mà.
Hơi. 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 Lỡ đó.
I don't want to be a soloist. Begin when
Xong rồi.
No, no. Last one, last one.
Yes, your point is noted.
man starts quick.
What song? What song?
That song you sing.
Huh?
The first, the forefather song is very nice. Yeah. The forefather song, which one? Okay. No, bumping, at least they will do 3 wrong.
Yes, yes.
One of us we know, and if one of us had this together, this one, and no winner, right? So if both are coming together, we will look at each other. But before I hit myself, if you touch me, I fail again, even if I know. But if you come out by knowing, come out with a mistaken name, then he will get bonus point. Okay.
I hope you all heard what I have been to explain. We're planning to play another game. Pastor is always on the lead today for all the games. And some games are introduced by our friend, and we are here still playing, still having some time. We're already getting tired, but we're still having time. This is everyone's behind. This is behind everyone.
Oh, washing your hands. Okay.
Watching him. Very good.
Both of you are wrong. You will get punishment.
Peter.
Botol peroket you cannot correct by now. It was Peter who was crucified upside down because he preached the gospel, okay? But these two make the mistake. They said it's like it was Thomas. So please.
Guys, easy.
What punishment you want to give to this boy?
If you're done, wash your hands.
Sorry, bro.
Ready? 1, 2, go!
Easily lose. Stand.
It's fun. Don't hesitate to come, even if you are not very clear. Come, share. This getting punishment is sharing, taking part in the sharing on the model. Okay. So please feel free.
Switch to him also.
I tie together the tails of
The winner.
Hey, Thomas.
Yes. Correct. Go. I kill the kings and the princes and I die together with them. What's your name? Samson again. Learn from your friends who are coming out, okay? I was the leader the day we stoned to death Apostle Stephen. I was the leader of that day. Stephen noon, tunap, sinamay, leader ng katsangan.
Soul. Soul.
What's your name? Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Okay, Paul. So Paul, okay?
I told her.
Make it easier.
Yes, easier and very fast.
I instead of worshiping the king, I pray 3 times a day. Yes, Daniel.
I told you to learn, no?
You are very slow, huh?
Go, Daniel.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Daniel, come back.
It's quite enough for me with my faith. 5 stones. David, yes. Yeah.
Phật phải luôn quanh bảo kia là vậy cơ.
It's not Zakaria, right? It's Zacchaeus. What of you? I think that's Zacchaeus, not Zakaria. So, what of you do like this? Zacchaeus, look, John, okay? Let me do quick. Get to one, Start again. You can read all the all the New Testament book. New Testament book. Old Testament book. Old Testament book. And now, memory verse of January. Yes, come here. Come here.
Phone allowed or not?
Not allowed. Yes, please.
Phone allowed no. Scam that She's reading the memory verse for the month of January.
Your word I have stored. I have stored and treasured in my heart, so that I may not sin against you.
Yes. So everyone follow after her, okay?
Psalm number 111, verse 15.
Psalm number 111 verse 15.
Your word
Your word
I have treasured
I have treasured
and stored in my heart,
and store in my heart,
so that
so that
I may not sin against you.
I may not sin against you.
Thank you. Thank you. Why we need this verse today is without the word of God stored in our heart, we will go against it. So storing is very important. If you're trying to store, the questions that I'm asking now will be very easy things for you. Store them on paper. Hey? Balance on. What's your name?
Okay, please put on the cap.
Question na below.
That's it.
Question na below. Repeat the question again.
I killed the Egyptian and ran away and found a very good wife. No. You can say. You can say, but big also. Moses, yes, Moses. Moses killed the Egyptian while arguing with the Egyptians about the punishment of the people of Israel. He ran away and he found his wife. What is his wife's name? Moses now Zipporah. Okay? Zipporah itu nama I climbed up to the roof of my house and I saw a girl bathing and I commit sin. Come here. What's your name? David. Oh, you failed. You want more questions like this? David. I was 75 years old the time God promised me, which seems impossible.
Go.
What's your name? Abraham, yes, correct.
Hey, Zeme.
I failed to ask all in one go.
Me also.
ไปเลย
Nang naik try itu nang naik. Emang na training pasti mahal banget itu.
अब TV लो ले cek dulu ya.
Guys,
is filled, and they will continue rejoicing in you and because of you. Lord, as we disperse from this place, I also pray that you will protect each and every one from trials and lead us to our home, and until then we have this kind of situation, we are like
Our spring meet is over, and then now we are taking pictures. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Come tighter.
Come tighter.
Come closer. RGS. And then that's the owner of this phone, Mr. Samba Pame, my brother, and then this is Karen, our vocalist, and I am the vlogger for today, and this is my sticker from Sweets that we brought today. It's very beautiful, very sweet.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and we're all done now. We're going back home. Everyone have left to different location as we came from different area, different location. We had a very good time, very wonderful time. Hello Secretary.
Hi.
We're all done for today. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Very well organized. Partying with some friends. Last ride for the day.
Yeah, that's right.
Bye bye to 2025 spring
We are
meet.
visiting the garden of the flower. We
Yes.
take the photo with the
We're
flower.
all done for the day. And here are
So
Indian
many
people
all of
playing.
them are from India.
And this is also doing something, I think so.
Yeah, yoga.
Nice. And there are my villager relaxing. We're all done for the day. People are still coming. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you to myself. And Kai.
We are coming here to look at the flower.
I just wanted to show you all this one before I leave, before I finish my video. There's still people taking photo picture. This is the flower garden. Wait, bang! Salah. They say they'll go somewhere and they left, and then they're still here stuck.
Cái đường là
Không lò.
cái này chứ mày.
I'm just doing the last video. Ngồi sang lại ta. Này mi.
Mới sáng.
Chà.
Rong cặp nào lắm pa.
Đây bây giờ. Lên ngồi lên tới mi lên hả? Cái mà lo, mấy cái có mà á, tối nó kìa. Yes, view is very nice. I'm going to click this boy now. He's trying to take his position. Hello guys, we're all done now. Finally, all photo session, all the spring meet celebration is over, and we're all going back home. Some people have already left. This is one other group coming to go home. So much everyone for watching till the end. Yeah? Kindly continue. It's okay, it's fine, it's fine. We have fun, and we had fun, and we'll hope to see you in the next video again. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.